This video shows how to register a company in Malaysia from your first idea to going live. Pick your structure. Many new owners choose a Sdn Bhd or Sdn Bhd for limited liability and growth. Think of a clear, unique name. Check and reserve it online with the Companies Commission of Malaysia, also called SSM. You need at least one director who lives in Malaysia, shareholder details, a company secretary, and a local registered office. Gather IDs and contacts, your main business activity, share details, and company rules if you choose a constitution. Submit the incorporation online through SSM's portal. Enter names, addresses, roles, and shares. Then make the payment. After approval, you receive your company number and official notice. Save these files in a safe place. Open a corporate bank account. Register with the tax authority and apply for SST if your business needs it. Start bookkeeping, set payroll, register for EPF, SOXO, and EIS if you hire staff, and secure any sector licenses. Keep good records and file on time each year. Your company is ready to operate and grow in Malaysia. For expert support at any step, 3E Accounting can help.